Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to find a design or a design idea from the beginning. Okay. I just wanted to make a design on grandma or grandmothers. So first of all I need to do some basic research like finding a good course for this design or in any niche you are working with. Then I have to understand who will be my audience. Like for these designs, being a grandmother, here my audience will be the grandmothers or women's. So I have to pick some colors that go with women's or female will like the some colors like this. Here I pick a color and how I do this you can see I did a Google search of girly colors and here I am seeing a big range of colors. I can choose anyone from here, so I picked this one. I am just going to take these colors in my design. Here I found this quote by searching like grandma quotes, and I am going to use some elements like this. These are called floral elements. I found that one on FreePic. It's free to download, but you have to give attribution if you are going to use this directly. But I am not going to use these elements directly. I am just going to take a part like this one or this one, a very simple one from this, so there will be no copyright. And for this design my audience is female, so I have to use some fancy type of fonts. Like here I selected 3 fonts from my font collection. I will use this in my design. And you have to remember one thing, print area of a t-shirt is something like this area, so it will not print in a whole front of a t-shirt design. So whatever you are doing, you have to understand that this will be printed on a very small area like this, so it has to be very clear to read, and if that is not readable then your buyer will not buy that design. So for a design we have to keep these things in mind, that where to find a good course. I used to say search for a strong course. This is how you can find on the color selection. You have to understand who will be your audience and you can select the colors according to them. If this design was for men's like grandfathers, then I would use some male type designs, some muscular designs or some gray, some black type designs. But this is for women, so I have to select some. Okay, so main point here is the design, t-shirt design is something emotional, something people can relate in the real life. It doesn't have to be a very elemental or very hard kind of complex vector designs. It can be just some simple text too, if you can present this really nicely and according to your audience. So I am going to make a very simple design here, but that will be effective for my female audience. Like if I start making the designs, I am going to focus on this grandmother and grandchild, these two text will be my focus of my design, because this is the most important part. This design is for grandmothers, and why they will buy it, because it is about their grandchildren. They can relate this in their real life. So I am going to take this font here, just arranging them. Grandmother, I want this part to be focused, so I am going to use this bolder looking font here, and the other I will just pick these fonts. I am just going to take one after another, something like this. Okay, here is my grandchildren. I am going to use that bold looking font here just to keep these two in focus. I am not going to use this font in any other word, and that's how these two words will be on my focus. or I can use that font here because this is the last line. I can just use this. Okay, so these are my designs, these are ready. Now I am going to just adjust the placement. Like if I, this sentence is a bit bigger but this one is not. If I make this one bigger like this will be very big for the others, so I am not going to use make that one bigger, but I am going to fill these gaps with some elements. Now for these designs, these are very simple designs like this one, anyone can create them. I am using this pre-made vectors because that is time saving. Just I if I try to make them and show in a video, then it will be a very long time video. So I am just going to use some pre-made vectors, and these are safe to use, don't worry about that. Just one more thing, I just need to keep in mind that the my design will be main design will be something like this area, something like a rectangle. So I have to keep in mind that my design fits into this kind of areas. Just make it a bit bigger, something like this. Okay, so this will be my main design area. If I select this one and then cut, paste in back, this is, now I am locking that one. Okay, so this is how I will make them. Now I am going to break my fonts, so I can align them perfectly together. This one I am going to make a bit bigger, as this is my focus point of my design. Now every line should be at the same width, so my design will look very professional. These little things helps buyer to understand that this is done professionally or this is not. If this is done professionally or not, they will understand, or they will get that by looking at a design. If I make this one smaller, this one smaller, something like that, that will look like this is not done very professionally. But if everything is in alignment, it will look professional. Now I have to adjust this inner space between these lines. That will work for me, something like that. This should not have to be a perfect design, but try as much as possible. Okay, so this is my design right now. I didn't use any vector here, any external links or any external graphics here. I just place the font and choose the fonts wisely, as this is a design for my female audience. Now for these areas I can use some graphics. That is not necessary to use, but I can. So let's select them all, align them center wise. Now they are all in center. Okay, so for this one I am going to use maybe this one. This design is looking good. As my design, as my audience is female, so I have to keep in mind that whatever I am using here should attract female audience, and this kind of floral things attracts females. Okay, so maybe this will look good. Okay, just this you can use or not, depends on you. I am using them just to fill those areas. Okay, so main focus point of my design will be the colors. If I can arrange the colors perfectly, design will look very good, and if I cannot, then it will not look as good as I am expecting. So let's take maybe this one. This is just for filling these gaps, nothing else. This is not necessary. Okay, so my design is now ready. Now for color selection I have to keep in mind that my these two text is the focus point, so I am going to make them in a same color, they are in a similar. And then this font, wherever this font is, I am going to make them a single colored, something like this. Maybe this color, and for this two I am going to use this darker or some lighter pink maybe. Okay, these are all the elements. I'm going to make them same color, and that is the pink. Okay, so this is my design. Now let's put a background here to understand how it is looking. Yeah, okay, so this is my final design. Now the main point of this design is not very kind of complex design. These are just text, only text designs and only font selection here. And if this color is good for my audience, who is I am going to target, then these designs are really good. Okay, here something just, this was a stroke design, and I converted as a, I selected as a fill color. So yeah, that is good. Okay, this is done. Now to understand what is a t-shirt design, you don't have to use a huge tons of vectors every time. You can just use a good design with the text only, if you can understand what is your requirement and who you are going to target. First of all is find a strong message, then select your audience, select color according to that, and then if you want to use some vectors or graphics, you can use this kind of free resources, or you can create something like you like. This is not a very complex designs, and keep in mind that this design is going to be printed in some areas like this. So if I make a group here, I am going to copy them, and if I place that here, cut and paste in front. Okay, as this is a red shirt, I am going to first of all expand. Now I am going to use white color for this. You can see, if this was printed on a real t-shirt, it will look something like this, and every line is clearly readable. Nothing here that you cannot read or too much fancy, too much scripted. So this was the tutorial for today. I hope you like it. Don't just go for premium vectors or try to use a design using huge amount of vectors. Just keep practicing with text. If you can make a good design from only text, you can use any vector in that design. Become a pro using text, then you can do any designs you will ever need to do for your store or your client work. Okay everyone, this was the process of finding some design ideas, finding some colors, finding audience. I hope this will help you. Do subscribe. Have a good time.